Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Nova killer car, guys. It's got all the SS badging, but it is not a true super sport. This is a 2-year-old body up restoration. Love the color. This is that Camaro Synergy Green. You'll see it better when we get it out here in the sunlight. Really pops. You can see it's got a really nice set of 17 and 18-inch chrome torque thrust 2 Americans on it. 4-speed, thumping little small block underneath the hood. Just a fun car, man. Good, solid, straight Georgia body. And again, they said this car was done 2 years ago. Said there's not a ton of miles on the car. Disc brakes, 4-speed. Just go have some fun cruising. It's got the little cowl hood on it, which I like. Looks like it's the original grille. Again, they've added all the SS trim on it. Looks like it's got newer bumpers. I've ordered a couple of things for it. I've ordered the new vent seal for underneath the hood, and I've ordered the new bezels for the rear. But you can see that color, man. It pops. It is pretty. We don't know what that big old orange ball in the sky is. We're not used to this. It's got all new deluxe interior, which is cool. I love that look. Very popular body style right here. These are good looking cars. Yeah, I ordered these new. You can, in fact, they're 150 bucks a pair. I ordered those new for the car. So obviously what they've done is they've actually gotten the SS trim, I'm sure, off a different car, because this is original stuff. This is NOS stuff right here. But I went ahead and ordered the new outer bezels for it. Nice and straight down the sides. Sits good. Looks like it's got brand new rubber on it too. It doesn't look like the tires are. I mean, they look brand new. That SS tail panel is actually pretty expensive, hard to find. I like this color, man. It just looked good. I think it just sits on the car and looks really good. When this thing gets out in the sunshine, man, it's really gonna pop. Disc brakes. Slick paint. Again, it's got a healthy small block in it. It's cammed up, 4-barrel. It's got an air gap aluminum intake on it. It's got the GM Rams horn or the high performance exhaust manifolds. You see the aluminum radiator with a shroud. Power steering. Again, it does have front disc brakes, HEI distributor. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's detailed up nice underneath the hood. It's got that billet finned aluminum air cleaner on it. Good looking car. This is what I ordered. I ordered the new cowl vent seal for it. pick, that's original 8-pillar chrome. You can pick it a little bit. It's got the dual mirrors on it. New door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. Looks like new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got, like I say, they've had a donor car here because they've got all the SS trim. Headliner looks good. Again, it's got the SS steering wheel in it. Showing 25,000. I don't know if you can see that in there, but you know, I'm sure that's 125. It's got the padded dash, aftermarket tach and gauges. Parking brake does work. It's got the Hurst shifter in there. Retrosounds radio. I couldn't get that to come on. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt, no big gear, like a 323. Pretty much stock. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Nice car, man. Just a good looking car. It's good underneath. Yeah, nice and flat down the sides. Door seams are clean. It's just a little dust there, guys. Good looking car. Aftermarket gauges. Yeah, nice jam to it. I like that little cowl. Good sound. That works. Fuel gauge works. You can see all your gauges are working. Hold good old pressure. Again, the parking brake does work. Works. I couldn't get that. You can't get the radio to come on either. Yeah, I'm not real sure what we're doing on that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page. Check us out on TikTok. Best way to keep track of us, guys, you can subscribe to our YouTube video. You do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. Look at that car now.